Hey there, we are going to see merge function in this session. Recently, we have seen binary search, partial sort, sorting, upper bound, lower bound, all this. So now we are going to see the last function in the sorting part of algorithm, which is included in the C++. Now, first of all, we will see the what parameters does the merge function takes. First parameter is the if I am passing vector one, so vector one address it takes. Then okay, I will directly enter into it. Second vector 1 and address. Third parameter it takes is a second vector address, second vector's begin address. Then it takes second vector's end address, and third one will be the vector address, the beginning vector address of a resultant vector into which we want to save all the elements which are the which will be the sorted manner. So it takes the resultant address, beginning resultant vector's begin address. And the sixth one is the optional, that is the comparator function. That's all about the merge functions introduction. Now see implementation. For the merge functions to sort both of these vectors in the ascending order, we require it to be sorted. So first of all we will need the sort function. We can pass over here less the comparator function, but no need, because normally the sort function compares and sorts in the ascending order. Directly I will start with the merging of two vectors. It takes third will be the resultant matrix, sorry, resultant vectors begin address. And fourth one I will later on I will show you the comparator, what is the use of the comparator function. In this we took okay. Oh, see, 1 2 3 4 4 5 5 6 7, it has sorted it first, then merged both of them, and now iterating over the resultant vector. Guys, one question may arise, why I have initialized the resultant vector with the predefined size. It is required to means it requires to be initialized because in the merge function the resultant vector does not get resized via itself. So we need to initialize it with some the means maximum size up to what we want the output. If I put over here 0, means with the 0 size, it is not getting, see, nothing output. If I initialize it, so it is not resizing itself, so we need to give a size over here. So I will put the size plus. Now see, it is getting the sixth parameter where we are giving the comparator function. If I give here a greater int, means I want the whole array to be sorted, or whole vector to be sorted in a descending order. If I put, then it won't work correctly, it just sorts. Hey, it is not sorting, means it is just differentiating everything. So we first sort our initial array with the greater comparator function, that is it will give me in the descending order. Now see, it is printing in the 7 6 6 6 5 4 2 1 in the descending order. So that is the use of comparator function. Normally we don't need that, we require okay, just we just require in this way in the ascending order. Okay, so that's all about the merge function, and we have completed the sorting part of a algorithm series in the STL C++. Thank you.